manufacturers today stand at a crossroads. Supply chain disruptions, soaring costs, and skill shortages are no longer temporary challenges. They are the new reality, and the stakes have never been higher. But what if these challenges weren't roadblocks? What if they were the spark for transformation, your opportunity to reimagine what's possible? At Hexaware, we believe the future of manufacturing isn't about managing inefficiencies, it's about eliminating them. It's about creating a connected, data-driven ecosystem where innovation thrives and every process works in harmony. Through AI-first thinking, advanced digital solutions, and optimized operations, we help manufacturers transform their value chains into dynamic, value-driven systems. Systems that don't just perform, but excel. We've done it before. We cut equipment idle time by 50% and saved $5.5 million in maintenance for a metals and minerals leader using predictive insights and autonomy. We successfully transformed an office space manufacturer's sales model from B2B to B2B2C, achieving an 18% reduction in inventory costs and an 8% increase in e-commerce sales. For a heavy automobile manufacturer, we used IoT and machine learning to achieve 15% faster production and an 80% reduction in quality inspection costs. Our connected manufacturing ecosystem redefines what's possible, driving long-term value, greater productivity, and a more sustainable future. Imagine a world where disruptions are opportunities, costs are optimized, and innovation fuels every decision. This is the future we're building together. A future where your operations are smarter, your supply chain is resilient, and your business is built to adapt to anything. Ready to turn this vision into reality? Let's get started today.